This is why you need to vet your traffic. Cheap clicks often mean fake clicks. Learn to spot the difference before you burn cash. Here's the quick truth. A view isn't a hit. A view means your ad showed up. A hit is a real person clicking. Some vendors deliver bots that mimic human traffic and never convert. They send paid form fillers who fake signups and leads, or junk emails that inflate email lists but don't buy. Warning signs include lots of signups with gibberish names. Zero logins or activity from those accounts indicates fakes. Sudden spikes in activity at weird hours. Before you buy, ask the vendor, where does traffic come from? Ask which countries the traffic predominantly originates from. Check exit pages to verify real engagement. Compare views versus clicks to spot fake traffic. Ask if traffic comes from email lists or actual site traffic. If you buy a solo ad, ask to be added, so you can watch it send in real time. Smarter strategy. Diversify your traffic sources. Use safelists to reach engaged email subscribers. Leverage social platforms for real engagement. Partner with blogs to reach niche audiences. Try classifieds for low-cost exposure. Use legit ad exchanges to buy verified traffic. Track everything using cloaked links to hide URLs. And use an ad tracker to monitor campaigns. If you're a World Profit member, use built-in tools. Use the built-in ad tracker for campaign insights. Use the link cloaker to hide tracking links. Learn more and get started for free. Visit the link in the video description.